Tutorial: How to create a stencil rhinestone portrait. For this design, I will be using artificial intelligence to first create the base image and then transform that image into a rhinestone design. As you can see, I already had a few created but chose this one for the video. You can also look on Google for stencil portraits. You will find many options. First thing we'll do once we have our image in our design program, we'll crop it. For portraits, I only focus on neck, shoulders, and face. I have sized this design to be 12 inches, height by proportional width. Design should fit large shirts. I have now created a circle size for 10SS stones. Circle should be 0.13 inches. Using the copy and paste method, I will fill in only the white parts of the image. All the black colored parts will be left blank. Black parts need to be outlined and defined as best as possible. And that's it really. Stencil art is very simple. Use 10SS to fill in large portions. Use 6SS to fill in small detailed parts of the design. Let's speed the video up so you can see the entire process. I'll slow it down to explain important parts, but remember, you can always message me if you have any questions or comment below. If you are familiar with design softwares, you can edit your own pictures to turn them into stencils, then following the steps on this video to turn that image into a rhinestone design. Keep in mind, not all pictures work for this style. Pictures with strong lights and shadows work best for this style. Fill in what the light hits. Leave blank any dark areas. That's the easiest way to approach this style. These are some samples of good pictures that can be turned to rhinestones. Pictures have great quality. Face is clean and detailed. Now back to the design. Practice with simple pictures. You can use already made stencils from Google or artificial intelligence to practice. The more you practice, the better you'll understand which images work and your designs will look better. There's no shortcut. Practice, practice, practice. Be patient. I have now started working on her hair. For this part, do your best to outline the black lines and continue filling in the white parts of the drawing. Now working on the neck, continue filling only the white parts of the image. Now that we're done with all the 10SS stones, we will now use 6SS to fill in the smaller details of the image. Follow the pattern as close and as best as you can. The lashes here were too small even for 6SS stones to outline. Fortunately, stone size is perfect for the rest of the eye. And that's it. What do you think? Comment your thoughts and suggestions below. I'd love to hear from you.